another unboxing video, and this one will be epic. Hi, it's Mike from Casefile and Casefile Presents. On this channel, I'm releasing videos on podcasting and audio, so if you enjoy the content, please hit the like button. I am very excited. I don't think I've been so excited since my wedding day, which was like 2 years ago. But this package was supposed to come on Monday. It came in today. Today is Saturday. So we are recording the video in the afternoon. And so this is not a review. This will be just unboxing. But first I want to give you a context here. First, if you're a beginner to podcasting or audio production, I still recommend you get a nice pair of headphones and then just, hone your craft, or at least start with that. Then, if you like, the job, you want to make it your career, or, just enjoy it, you might start looking at studio monitors. And studio monitors are professional speakers that are supposed to give you accurate representation of sound, and that in contrast to consumer loudspeakers that just their job is to make whatever you're watching or listening sound good. So that's the difference. Accurate representation versus, coloring the sound. However, if you're looking at studio monitors, they are only just a part of the equation, because your room acoustics are as, if not more important as the speakers. They will change the perception of the sound. And you can correct the acoustics of your room with acoustic panels and or special software, correction software like the one from SonarWorks. So for the last 9 or 10 years, I've been using the same pair of speakers, the same model, which is A17-M. And these are sort of mid-tier Nearfield monitors. I absolutely love them. I still recommend them if you're looking at your beginners sort of pair, because they are not as expensive and they are really, really nice and sounding. However, in a few months, I will be moving to a bigger room. I'll be moving the studio to a bigger room, and I'm upgrading few things here and there. I'll be making videos on my upgrades and what I'm changing. But one thing that I was for quite some time thinking about was upgrading my studio monitors, my studio speakers. And this time I wanted to spend a little bit more. My choice was down to a few models. I was looking at Adam S2, which is the same as my A5Xs, but higher tier. I was looking at PMC Results 6, at Head Type 2.0 and Barefoot Footprint. And then as I was researching and looking for my perfect speaker, I stumbled upon a thread, at least a few threads, on PSI audio and their speakers, and in particular PSI A17-M. And people who were writing about these speakers were, just praising their sound, the technology behind them. So I looked at their website, I read about the technology, I checked reviews and various feedback, and when you get this feeling like you're looking for something and you feel like, okay, this is it, this is the one for me. So I've decided to order them, and this is another thing that I've never done before. I've decided to order this speaker without listening to them in prior. So of course I'll make a review of them in a few months when I sort of am comfortable with them. But one more thing, I've checked when I was checking out their website for that Nearfield A17-M model. That was October 2021. They've said that this month, the October 2021, they were releasing a new model of A17-M speaker. The one they had for years, they were upgrading it with a handmade tweeter. So again, kind of seem like fate if you believe in that sort of thing. Anyway, I made a decision. I've contacted PSI, they're in Switzerland, and they put me in touch with their official distributor in the UK called Emerging Limited. I spoke to their staff, to the director, and I've ordered a pair of these speakers. Had to wait a few weeks because this is the first delivery from Switzerland of the new model of A17-M. So these actually are the ones they got, I think last week or this week, this Monday. And this actually may be the first pair in the UK of these speakers, consumer pair, not demo. I know some people had demos of this model already, but this may be, I'm not 100% sure, this may be the first sold pair of this in the UK, or if not, at least it's the first unboxing video of these speakers in the UK. Correct me if I'm wrong though. Anyway, you can see I'm really excited. Let's stop talking, let's open it up, see what's inside, and then connect them quickly. Of course, without measuring the room and setting up perfectly, let's just quickly connect them, see and hear how they sound. Bass port at the front. We got a driver, we got that handmade tweeter. Nice sort of matte color black, nice texture. We got PSI audio label there, and then a calibration at the back, and you shouldn't remove that because they were calibrated to each other. So that was done by them, and yeah, I mean that's how they look. They're not as heavy though. I think Adams are a little bit heavier. So let's connect them, see how they sound, and I will see you upstairs. Right, I've connected my new PSI speakers. Listen to them. They sound absolutely amazing. The detail, the bass, I mean, you kind of got to hear it to understand. But this is temporary setup. Like I said, I'll be moving to a bigger room using different stands, and the speakers will be sitting on the desk. For now, they'll just stay here for the next couple months. But then, of course, I will, after we finish recording this video, I'll use my measurement microphone to measure this room with these speakers, create a profile, and that's how I will work for the next couple of months. But so far, so good. They do sound amazing. They are really expensive though, so you kind of expect them to sound really good. And I've listened to some music on them, but I'm really curious how will they fare when it comes to podcasting, dialogue, and my podcasting mixes. But yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I will have a proper review of them once I get to know them, once I worked on them and created few mixes. So I think that will be in a few months. For now, I think the unboxing will have to do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check the rest of my channel. For now, you can share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.